You search for how to buy shares of Medline Inc., so this short guide will explain the steps to access Medline, a medical supplies manufacturer and distributor listed on NASDAQ under the ticker MDLN. This is educational content only and not financial advice. To buy MDLN, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and add funds before purchasing. Use the broker's search field and enter the ticker MDLN to locate the company listing. Ensure you select the Medline Inc. entry traded on NASDAQ to open the correct share page. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart to view recent movements. Confirm the company description and the MDLN ticker to make sure it's the right stock. Click or tap Invest. Enter the amount you want to spend. Review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed when trading resumes. If your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before allowing final confirmation. Once executed, your Medline Inc. position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it, and a link to eToro is available in the description if you want to visit the platform.